Let's see how we can add a timestamp every time we check off an item. So the way we're going to do this is to use the if-else function. Our first logical test is to check whether the value of this box equals false. Basically, if it's not checked, what do we want to return? We want to return nothing, right? We don't want a timestamp if there is no check mark. So our next check is to check whether the cell that we're writing the formula in equals nothing. What we want to return is the now function. Now is going to return the current date and time. Our last logical test is going to be the catch-all. So if none of these conditions is met and we get to the end, we are going to put a true. And what we want to happen is to return the value that we have in the current cell. When I close the bracket and I press enter, I'm supposed to not get a value because I don't have a check mark here. Even when I press a check mark, I still get the same value. Here's the thing that you need to tweak. You have to go to File, Options, under Formulas for the calculation options for this workbook. You need to turn on Enable Iterative Calculation. And then click on OK, and everything will work like magic.